sludge, man. There's a lot of sludge on here. When I break open, I'm gonna show y'all on camera, so y'all stay tuned for the next video. But I'm gonna break open the valve covers. What's good, YouTube? Car reviews by KJ, man. We about to hop into it. Let's get into this box Chevy LS swap. Y'all see the box Chevy behind me, you see the LS behind me. So, hey, it gotta be true. You see the oil pan over here? That's my new oil pan. Let's hop into it, bro. Let's hop into it. All right, you can hear the birds chirping. But as you can see, my garage is getting a little out of hand. I'm acquiring too many parts and stuff. But it's my 5.3. You see, I got all the truck accessories and everything on it still. We're about to start breaking it down. About to rip the harness off and then rip off the fan, rip off the alternator. And I'll probably just plug the throttle body and the hose right here. Well, you know what I'm saying, the water pump and everything. So that way I got to pressure wash it and get it degreased. And I got this tape out so I can tape any parts that I don't know off the top, like all the spark plug wires and stuff like that, and the injectors. I'm not too worried about that because I know those gonna go in line. They go right down the road, so I don't really have to worry about that. But for like the throttle body connector, and this right here is for the pedal. This is what the pedal go into. So I want to mark all of that stuff before I rip that harness apart and then just start going crazy with it. So see the transmission right here, 4060E. A little 4060E right there. It's pretty decent. It needs some cleaning. Definitely needs a lot of cleaning. So I'll be degreasing this bad boy and y'all get to see what I get done. And it'll be going in here. I'm trying to wait on my guy. He said he's gonna help me spray paint this. Well, we're gonna use an actual spray gun. I already replaced my heater core, so I replaced my heater core recently. So that's gone. Got a brand new one in there. Never had heat in this car, never had AC. That's gonna change. It's gonna change coming up soon. But my last video, as you can see, this is actually silver. This used to be painted black, or it just was painted black with dirt. So I'll probably just go ahead and spray my frame. I spray my frame and then he can help me paint these right here, because I'm giving him this motor right here for helping me with the swap, because it got a rod knock and I got to get it out of here anyways. Plus he gave me a good deal on everything. So I got it came with the harness, the motor, transmission, and what else it come with? It came with the pedal. I'll show y'all the pedal real back here somewhere. Here go the pedal. I got to take this in the house actually. So yeah, let me get to work, man, and then I'll just update y'all as I go. I'm gonna go ahead and strip this harness off and hopefully get it sent in so I can get it as a standalone, and then I send the computer so it can get flashed, and then by the time it come back, hopefully it got its own fuse box and it's a standalone turnkey ready. And by that time I'll have everything cleaned up, the truck accessories cleaned up. I'll probably keep that for now, and then I'll just upgrade it later. It's not a show car, it's not show car ready or nothing like that. Still got the new gas tank and everything, but it's not gonna be a show car. See, this new tank. I showed it in my other videos. I showed it in this one too, but see, got my fuel lines, all my adapters. This right here is to flare out the fuel lines if I need to. I got the kit. Got my fuel regulator. What else? Got a bunch of parts. My oil pan right here too. So this the muscle car oil pan. Let me know, I can drop this in the description. I might just do it off rip, but I got this from Amazon. This the muscle car. And let me know, I heard I can go with F-body headers. Let me know, drop in the comments if the F-body headers or the F-body manifold will work on this, because I need to know. Because I want to get it, I want to make sure it's flush. And don't worry, this fan coming off, so I'll be taking that fan off because I already have an alternator with the electric fans on it. So let me get to work, man, and then we'll get this thing on the road. So y'all really was gonna let me slide saying that I got an alternator with 2 fans on it? I meant a radiator. But it's the next day. Here go the engine bay and everything. But here go the motor. I got this thing breaking down. So you see I got the alternator off, the alternator over there. I'm gonna clean that up. But I also took out these brackets. It's just sitting on here right now, so the bracket can come off. I'm I'm gonna clean off under there. I'm gonna clean all this off. I tried to get the fan off, but apparently I'm gonna have to put some type of brace right here to hold it in place so I can take that nut off. But here go the motor and all of its dirty glory. Check it out, check it out. So I'm gonna I might have to lift it up, try to put that oil pan on it. Hopefully there's no oil in there, I can drain it. I'm gonna clean the back of the transmission. I'm gonna clean everything up, make it look a little decent. Repaint some stuff if I need to repaint it. This is my computer right here, so I got to send my computer in to get it flashed. So if you've never seen it, it actually has the green side and the blue side, so you won't get it confused. But you see it say green right there, the other side say blue. So I'm gonna show y'all the harness real quick. This the harness right here. So if you never did it before, it looked kind of scary, but man, if it's anything like hooking up a sound system, I really can make it a standalone myself, but I think I'm gonna just send it in so I can get a different fuse box, because this one is kind of confusing. I'll take out all those fuses though, and I keep those bad boys. Oh, sorry about my shadow. But yeah, I'll keep all those fuses and everything, take them out. And then this all the rest of the harness, is all the power wires and everything to get power to the engine and power to the starter and everything to get it started up. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. So yeah, I'm gonna get all of this stuff broke down, and I'm gonna get it going. I heard these won't fit. I heard these headers or this manifold will not fit. So I gotta test that out. I gotta clean up all this sludge, man. There's a lot of sludge on here. When I break open, I'm gonna show y'all on camera, so y'all stay tuned for the next video. But I'm gonna break open the valve covers and I'm gonna see what it look like inside. So if you wanna see what the inside of the engine look like, just stay tuned and I'll show y'all that. And I do plan on getting another garage eventually, y'all, but you know, parts more important. I'm just kidding. But anyways, yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate you viewing. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Share the video, man, to help the algorithm. Like the video, help the algorithm, and I really appreciate everybody tuning in when I drop videos. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace out. Y'all stay tuned.